Wendy Chadwick, owner of Arca Inc. This is my husband, Rob.
Arca Inc. is located on 4A Highland Avenue in Queensbury, New York.
We offer screen printing, embroidery, and promotional products. We do screen printing and embroidery in-house. I started screen printing shortly after high school and have been printing for 23 years. We started Arca Inc. in the basement of our home in late 2001. Our children's names are Ashley, Ryan, Sierra, and Alyssa. That's where Arca Inc. comes from. And as we grew, we decided to look for a bigger location, and that happened in July 2005.
We've got a broad base of customers, anywhere from local contractors to state organizations, schools, sports, you name it, bowling teams, grandmothers who want to get something for a grandchild, anything. We do it all. A single hat or 10,000 t-shirts, doesn't matter. I think a lot of our customers like coming here because of the way they're treated, because of our timeliness and getting their jobs done, the friendly service they get when they come through the door. It's not like they're dealing with a business, they're just dealing with two individuals who really care about their work. Nothing goes out these doors that we wouldn't wear ourselves. Our business is based off of word of mouth. People like the jobs, they pass our name along. That's how our business is built. That's why we are as busy as we are. We get the jobs done on time. Our customers are happy when they walk out our door. Feel free to stop in anytime, Monday through Friday. Our door is always open.